start with 2 ribeye. First, gonna pour a lot of sea salt into the dish. And add the best seasoning. Okay, this is a term. Everything about me. I'm gonna drop this in. And I'm gonna serve it. That's a good seasoning. During this time, turn the gas on. Olive oil. Yes. Pour into it. Just wait until this thing goes really hot. Okay. There's a butter. This is a real hell kitchen because everything is up on here. It's very healthy. So now it's getting hot. I'm ready to grill. Using very high temperature of actually I should use a gas, but this is electric stove. That's what we have. Make a taste out of the edge, so you see the crispy on the edge. Okay, now we got medium rare. Alright, we got beautiful. I got a side order. That is a side order of bread. I turn the stove off. Nice, crispy. Cool. Now we cut and see inside. See, this is medium rare. It's beautiful meat. Oh my God, Angie, my lake will love it. All right. Guy, thank you.